Hello and welcome to my class, Watercolour Pastels for Beginners, an introduction into the wonderful world of Caran d'Ache Neocolor II Aquarelle Pastels. These lovely pastels are an absolute brilliant medium to use, and I only recently came across them, so I wanted to test them out to see whether they're any good. And when I started using them, I was absolutely obsessed. And as you know, I generally get obsessed on all traditional mediums in art, so this one was another one that I started to build my own collection with, and I've started using it on a daily basis to produce lovely little sketches in my own whimsical style, and that's what I want to explore with you by introducing you to this fantastic little medium. This class is for anyone who wants to learn and delve into the adventures of using these wonderful pastels. In this class, we're going to quickly dive into the class supplies that we're going to need to complete the lessons of the class. Then we're going to quickly delve into the ins and outs of what these wonderful aquarelle pastels are all about. We will then look at the different application methods on how to apply these pastels using 3 different techniques. We will look at how to darken our colours and lighten our colours within our limited sets or limited numbers of colours that we have in our palette. We will then finally look at how this wonderful medium interacts with other mediums like graphite, ink and markers. And then we're going to go straight into a step-by-step sketch and produce a lovely little illustration by implementing the techniques that we learned in the previous lessons. And on completion of your lovely little step-by-step sketch, you will be ready to start jumping in straight away with all the techniques that you've learnt and the experience that you've gained to produce your very own beautiful painting and illustration for your class project. So what you're waiting for? Grab yourself a nice drink, get yourself a nice little treat, get your Neocolor pastels ready, and let's get started with the class.